Instructions for adjusting the extension leaves when they protrude outside the edge of the tabletop. Pull out the extensions until a gap appears between them and the tabletop. Fold in the extensions. Loosen the 8 screws securing the extensions. Shift the loosened extensions left or right until they align with the tabletop. Retighten all 8 screws. Push the table and extensions back together. Check that the tabletop and extensions are properly aligned.